Okay, so this video here is for the second part of 1.2.6 where you got to write your own code, and we're going to do it in REPL IT. So you go to REPL IT, and once you sign in with your Google account, you can make a new REPL. I picked the Java one because it's already right here. Make sure you do a Java one, and it creates one. It gives always a nice little name there. So flowery, shadowy certification. Now I'm going to go right in there and edit the name of that. I want it to be CSA 1.2.6 code. Last number 12 maybe. Hopefully it's cool. Okay, so it'll save it as that. Change it up there. That way later I can find it more easily. What happens with these is there's automatically a main class generated. You can't, I don't think you can change the name of that. I don't really need to. So we're going to do this. You're going to create a program with a few lines from your state song. Strings created using literals. Strings created using the class constructor. You got to show how strings are not mutable or how they are immutable. Showing the plus operator, the plus equals, implicit conversion, which is like when you don't accidentally you turn a number into a string, and using each of the 3 escape sequences. You don't have to use them all at once. So you want to find the state song of Ohio. What do we got here? Ooh, beautiful Ohio. Should do lyrics. I should have typed that in. Okay, so since we don't have to create another class, we can just do this stuff in main. If it bothers you that that's up there, I usually like to bring it down. I don't know why. I'm a creature of habit. But if you ever did need a second class to work with main and call methods on, you would just hit this add a file, and you just got to name it something.java, just like this one's named main.java. So state song lyrics. Let's see where it is. Lyrics to beautiful Ohio. And then you're going to check that. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. So I'm going to maybe here. I'll take the chorus because why not? It's repeated a lot for a reason. I'm going to paste it in here. Maybe the multi-line comment. Right? // and we'll paste it in here. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so I'm going to use that, and I'll just go through and kind of try to check these off where I want to make sure I use a few lines. I think I already will get that taken care of. We need to create some strings in pieces using string literals. So you're looking through for like all those cases where you can use those. I'm looking, I don't see any apostrophes or anything, but you can start it with quote marks. And like, we're going to make a string, first line. And if I want to make a string literal, I just say first line equals, I can put quote marks, but if I want to actually make quote marks show up, I'll put my stuff in here like beautiful Ohio golden or golden grain. Does it really say dwarf after that? And then you can do this, and I basically stored this. Oh, look, it changed a different color in REPL to show it's an escape character. Yeah, so basically it stores it as first line, and then I can system out print, I can concatenate, I can do all that stuff. So that's how you do it on REPL. Change the name so you know it. Use some of these lines. You don't have to use the chorus or the part I used. Here's one of the escape characters used. Then you can use new lines and stuff like that. Yeah, so good times. Get all those boxes checked, and then save it, and we'll look at it when we come to class. The next time I see you in person. All right, and that's it for that. Let me know if you have any questions. Later, people.